Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to go through what I think are some of the best learning management plugins at the beginning of 2026. There's a lot of offerings out there, but there's definitely a small group that you should choose from. I'm going to go through all the leading ones in this video and give you the facts that you need to make the right choice. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So, what are some of the best choices at the beginning of 2026 when it comes to learning management plugins? Now, like I say, there's a lot of choices out there, but I've really concentrated on the top six. Written an article about that. You find the link in the video description, but I'm going to go through what I consider the leaders. Number one, I think one of the clearest ones that you could choose is Lifter LMS. It's been around for almost 10 years. They're still actively building it out. They're adding more features, more functionality. They're doing it in a methodical way. One of the great things about Lifter LMS is that you get a real powerful free version of it. That's not crippled. You do have to buy an add-on if you're going to take subscriptions, but the subscription engine is inbuilt. You just need to add an add-on that will work with the leading gateway providers, and that can either be Stripe, which I would highly recommend, or it could be PayPal. They do integrate with WooCommerce as well, but the Stripe add-on is the one I would go with. That's a slightly under $150 per year. Now, it's literally got everything you're looking for: quizzes, course layout. It's got full site editing. It works with all the leading page builders in WordPress: Elementor, Bricks, Gutenberg, Cadence. You name it, it will work with it. Got a ton of experience with this plugin, and it's pretty rock solid. Now, it's got its strengths if you really want to build a lot of courses out, but like I say, that it's got a lot of functionality. Now, if you're looking for something a bit simpler, if you're a creator, influencer on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and you're looking to build courses for your followers, but you want maximum control, which is what WordPress gives you. Lifter LMS could be a little bit over the top for your requirements. Now, a newer player that's been out for about a year, but comes from a plugin shop that's got a ton of experience, is something called Creator LMS. It's really got some nice features. It's much more lightweight than Lifter LMS, but the features that it does offer are more around the individual entrepreneur that's doing kind of coaching as well, group or individual coaching as part of a course offering to their followers. So, like I say, it's in the title, Creator LMS. So have a look at that if you're in that description of individual that I've laid out in this video. Now, another one that's well established is LearnDash. Now, LearnDash has been around longer than Lifter LMS. It was one of the first learning management plugins on the market. Has a strong following in the education realm. Now, the truth about it is that Lifter, for the past 3 or 4 years, there's not been much change to it. The original entrepreneur that started it sold it to a large hosting company, and they really haven't done much with it, to be truthful. They have kept it secure, up to date, but they, like I say, they haven't done much with it. Now, the other problem in my eyes is that you do need a membership plugin if you're going to teach subscriptions. Yes, technically you can do it without a membership plugin, but it is cranky, it's a bit complicated, and it's just not a great experience. There are a lot of plugins that will work with it. A lot of people utilize MemberPress with LearnDash. I'm not a great fan of MemberPress. I've done other videos which you'll find on the WP-Tonic YouTube channel that explain why I don't like it. Now, if you really want to use it, the plugin that I would use is Sure Members. Like I say, there's a lot out there, but Sure Members with Sure Cart is the route to go with if you want to use LearnDash, in my opinion. We supply it at WP-Tonic, but we tend to only use it with BuddyBoss. In general, if somebody's looking for a powerful solution, depending on what they're trying to do, it's either Lifter LMS or it's Creator LMS. They're the two that we go with. A final one that I'm going to talk about is Tutor LMS. Now, it's got strong following. It is popular. It really is designed to work with WooCommerce. If you want to teach subscriptions, they do offer a free version like Lifter LMS, but that you can't take subscriptions, and if you do, it's got to be WooCommerce. Now, WooCommerce is enormously powerful, offers a lot of functionality, but you're going to probably need the membership plugin and the subscription plugin to have a fully functioning setup where you can take subscriptions for students. That's probably going to cost you around $400 a year. Plus, you're going to have to buy Tutor Pro as well. Be aware of that. Now, we have found the coding standards with Tutor to be slightly below par to LearnDash and definitely to Lifter LMS. Other people disagree with us, but that's our honest experience with this. Now, if you found this video useful, like I say, I've written a much more detailed post with a review of some of the other competitors out there. I'm not going to go through everyone in this video, it'd just be too long. You'll find the link to that in the video description. If you found this video useful, give us a like and think about subscribing to the channel. About 70 to 80% of you are watching multiple videos on the WP-Tonic YouTube channel, but you're not subscribing. And if you did that, that would really show YouTube that I'm doing something right, and it encouraged me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.